So today, let's talk about Blend, the new Instagram feature. And in this video, I'll tell you what it is, how to enable it and how it works, and basically how to use it. So Blend is a new feature by Instagram that allows you and your close friends to see each other's suggested Instagram Reels. Now, everybody has their own Reels. So when you go to Reels, you'll have specific Reels suggested to you by default based on your interests, the content you watch previously, and some other information that Instagram uses to suggest specific reels to you. Now, another person also has specific reels suggested to them based on what they watch and what Instagram uses for suggesting reels to them. Now, if you and someone else, or maybe you have a group of friends, and you want to see what Instagram suggests to your friend, then that's where Blend comes in. So you're basically blending the suggestions, your suggestions and your friend's suggestions on Instagram. Okay. So to enable it, you first need to go to Instagram and update it. So just go to your respective app store, Apple App Store for iPhone users and the Google Play Store for Android users. Once you've updated Instagram, you can now go to the DMs and let's find that one person you want to share your suggested content with. So let's say it's this user. Okay. So what you need to do is open your DMs with that person, and then you will see the blend icon at the top there. So if you tap on that, it's going to tell you join a blend with that person, and it means you're going to see each other's suggested reels. So all you have to do is tap on join. Okay. Now a request will be sent to the other person, and they'll have to accept before you can be able to see my suggested reels, and I'll be able to see their suggested reels. So this is what happens on the other side. So I've switched to the other account, and you'll notice now when you go to that other account's DMs, I'll have a direct message, and then it says this user has joined your blend. Now this is because I had previously joined. Now if it's the first time, then it's going to give a message like this, and you have to accept so that you're able to blend your suggestions with the other user. So I'm going to switch back to the original account. Simple as that. And now once that other user has accepted, now when you go to your chat with that person, you can simply go to the blend option, or you can just tap on the blend icon, and it's going to start showing a blended mix of suggestions for Instagram Reels. Okay. Now at the bottom of each reel, you will see this one was suggested for the other account, and if you scroll, this one was also suggested for both me and the other account, and if I scroll again, this was suggested for the other account. This one was suggested for me. You can see it clearly says there. And the more you keep scrolling, you're going to see only content that is suggested for either myself, the other user, or both of us. And then you can tell it's a blend between the two of us because you're going to have the profile pictures of both our accounts here. Also, there's going to be a messaging option at the bottom here. So if you see an Instagram reel, maybe it was suggested for them or for me, and I like it, I can comment right here and send, and that's going to immediately DM that person, and I can continue watching other reels. I can react with emojis, and that's going to send a message to the other person, and you can just keep doing that. Now you can do this not only for two people, you can set up a blend for a group chat, and then you can see all the suggestions of all the members in that particular group chat. Okay, so that's basically what blend is on Instagram. Okay, now if you want to leave a blend, you just need to go to open that blend. So you can see we have the Instagram blend, which is basically Instagram Reels. So if I want to end this blend, I can just tap on the settings icon in the top right corner and then select leave this blend and then confirm I want to leave. So that is basically how to use Instagram blend, and that's what it is. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.